Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Polk, P.O.L.K. County in western Arkansas, Southwestern Scott County in western Arkansas, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mountain Fork, or 14 miles west of Mena, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waldron, Beauchamp, Oliver, Morgan Springs, Queen Wilhelmina State Park, Mountain Fork, Bates, Black Fork, Rocky, Cauthron, Black Fork Mountain Wilderness, Winfield, Hun, Rich Mountain, Eagleton. The National